In this class, we will discuss the parity generator and checker concept from the digital electronics. Okay. So first point comes into mind, that is what is a parity. The parity is a bit. It is used to detect the error. Okay. And single bit error is detected by this parity bit. Now how it works? See, we have transmitter here. Transmitter it is a digital circuit, and receiver is also digital circuit. Now transmitter will send data. It may be 4-bit data to the receiver side. Okay. Now while transmitting the data from transmitter to receiver, there may be error occurred while transmitting the data at the receiver. Now, to check if the data is correct or incorrect, we are introducing the new concept called as a parity generator and parity checker. Now, you can see this 4-bit data is sent by the transmitter to the receiver. Send bit stream and extra bit tells us total number of ones present in that particular data. So transmitter, let us consider, transmitter sends the data 4 times 1, okay, and that data is received at receiver. Now we are calculating total number of ones present in that data. Total number of ones present in that data. Now we have classified that number of ones with parity. That is a types of parity. And types of parity, there are two types of parity, even parity and odd parity. Okay. Then what is the even parity? Even parity is a parity bit set to the 0 if there are even number of ones. Okay. If there are even number of ones, then parity bit we are setting that is a 0. And parity bit is set to the 1 if there are odd number of ones. For example, in this case, we have 4-bit data 0, 1, 0, 0. Now 0, 1, 0 is a 4-bit data. Now what I have to add as a parity bit? Now if you look at this data contains odd number of ones. Okay. To make it even, we have to add parity bit is a 1. So final data or added data is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So in this way, we are making odd number of ones to the even number of ones in this even parity. Again, we have second example 1100. Now in this input stream we have even number of ones, but we are talking about even parity. So there is no need to add parity bit 1 because already we have even number of ones. So we need to add parity bit is 0. Okay. So this is about even parity. Simple conclusion for this point is that if parity bit is set to 0, if there is a even number of ones, and if parity bit is set to the 1 if there are a odd number of ones. So this is about even parity. The next point is odd parity. And what is odd parity? If parity bit is set to the 0 if there are odd number of ones. It is set to 0 if there are odd number of ones, and parity bit is set to the 1 if there is a even number of ones. So in this way we are making or we are managing all the bits in the odd parity. If you add 0, the final answer it is in a odd parity. If you add 1, then it is also in a odd parity. So this type of parity is called as a parity bit. So parity bit is set to the 0 if odd number of ones, and parity bit is set to the 1 if even number of ones. So this is about odd parity. Now after even parity and odd parity, will detect the error. Will detect the error. Now you can see this key, there is a original signal. Okay, you can refer this figure. Original signal which has value 0100. Okay, 0100. Now we are converting this original signal into the even parity. So as you know, if you want to convert odd number of ones into the even parity, there will be add 1. So add parity for even parity. Okay, so I have added 1 as the parity bit. So final result is 01001, and this one bold one represents the parity bit, and we are converting our original data into the even parity. Okay, now suppose we need to check if the error is detected, or if there is an error in the original data. So now we will add some noise in the data. Noise added to the original data. So 01011, our original data is 01001, and if you compare this data with the noise added data, that is a 01011. Now this one is added, noise is added in this data. Now to check that, okay, if the error is added or not, so that we will take the help of parity bit. Now we have known that key, we have sent the data with the even parity. Now we will check number of ones. In this case 01011, there are odd ones, and we have information that key there are even parity, and but we are getting the odd number of ones. So it means that there is an error in the original code. So it is in a even parity, but number of ones are odd at the receiver side. So it means that error is detected. So parity bit is used to detect the error. Okay, so in this way we are using the parity bit. We are generating the parity, and we are checking the parity. So thanks for watching my videos. Please share, subscribe, and press the notification icon. Thank you.